Hello everyone, and welcome back to Tech Idea, where we make tutorials on topics that might be helpful to you in one way or the other. And today, I'm going to be showing you guys on how to get better in Fortnite. So firstly, you need to make sure what aspects of Fortnite you want to be better at, as there are tons of aspects in Fortnite. One of them being aim, one of them being building, and the last one is repositioning. What is repositioning? So for example, the circle, it's quite huge, right? What if the circle was right here? Around like a circle like that, you know? Like smaller circle. So repositioning is basically making sure you have the proper position in which you are safe in this circle. Now, aim. Let's talk about aim. Aim is very crucial, as without having proper aim, you're gonna lose your gunfights. Now, what do you do to practice your aim? You just gotta play the game a lot, and that's the only thing you can do. You just gotta play the game a lot. And lastly, let's talk about building. So you know how people build in Fortnite? Yeah, I'm not good at building, so I won't be able to show you guys a lot of good buildings, but you know, Fortnite's main aspect is the fact that it's building based. And a lot of people will do build battles. Now the best way to do this is find a friend who's good at the game and have build battles with them. That way you guys can practice your aim and hopefully be better at this game and be better than me as well. And that's about it. There's nothing else to do in Fortnite. It's all about building and the gunfights. So as long as you're better than most of the players in Fortnite with your aim and gunfight, you should be winning a lot of your gunfights and a lot of your aim duels. So I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, please drop a like. And if you want to see more videos like this in the future, don't forget to hit that subscribe button as well as that notification button. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.